Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get into Lost Song Cave in Crimson Desert. So first things first, let me show you where I am on the map. So we've obviously got Herdenand just here with the town. You've got Anvil Hill and then the monastery along with St. Helios' House of Healing. And as you follow the river down past the lower Nass River here, you're going to come around a cape and come into this open water area here with a few islands dotted about, which are over there along this waterfall ridge. Now as you come over here, I'm just going to show you my surroundings so you can get a good idea of my bearings. There's obviously quite a cinematic scenic area here. I'm right on the edge of the water just here on the map. And then in order to actually get into Lost Song Cave, what you want to do is come to this edge just here. So I've crossed all of the waterfalls. You want to come to this edge just here, and you see this cliff edge just below us here? We want to basically get onto that. So we come down here, and then what you're looking for is this statue up here. So you can see here that there are these stones stacked on each other. That's what you want to come up to. Go ahead and take your sword out. Come into the stab position here, which on the keyboard is shift right click, and then attack the water, and you should come through the waterfall. You're then going to get a cave entrance just here, and here we have it. We've now got the Lost Song Cave, and you can go ahead and get the loot in here. Really hope that this video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.